Hi friends, in this video you are watching how to hard reset your Bose Soundlink Flex and Flex 2 and also set up with Bose Connect app. Soundlink Flex, Soundlink Flex 2. Both of them are using same way to hard reset and set up with Bose Connect. First we are going to hard reset your speaker. Switch on the speaker, press and hold the power button until the lights are off. That's it, you done. The next step is set up with a Bose Connect app. Switch on your speaker again. You can see the Bluetooth lights are blinking. Install your Bose Connect app in your mobile and open it. Swipe down to connect. Click on pair. Now we need to manually connect Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth setting and find out your speaker and connect. Again go back to Bose Connect app. Swipe down. Pair it. Now you can enter the setup. Select the preferred language. Name your speaker. Yeah, done.